So yeah, I am great in cakes, I'm great in doing hair, I'm great in sewing, I sew face masks, I just do so many things, and I'm going to bring you guys a whole lot of videos that you guys can watch and learn, so you can, you can share as well. So for today, I'm starting off with a veggie. Why? Because COVID-19 is what we need, what is coming in, maybe not, hopefully not, but I don't know. But we gotta build our body up. You gotta build your immune system. I'm not forgetting I'm a nurse too. So we gotta build your immune system, build your blood up, so you can be strong just in case COVID-19's come back. So hey, please follow me. We'll be doing some serious juicing and smoothies. Alright, here we go. So now what we have here, now we have carrots, and I'm going to make sure you wash it, clean it and everything. Scrape it, clean it, wash it up. And we're going to do 4 of these carrots, right? I'm going to have 4. Also, you want to wash up your spinach, and we're going to be doing like a bunch, 1 full bunch of spinach. And this could last you for like about 2 days, no longer, because you don't want to lose the potent of the veggies. So then we have the kale. Kale is very, very good in what? Vitamin K, also vitamin C, but kale is the highest. K is the highest with kale. Alright, so we're going to be using like two leaves of kale. So you wash it and you get that ready. Also, I'm going to be doing beetroot. Also rich in iron. So as I said, we're building our blood. We're giving our body a lot of iron. Alright, so which is good for the heart. So we have the beetroot, and I'm doing 2 beetroot. Also, we have cucumber, which is, get vitamin C as well. And then we have turmeric. Turmeric is very good for inflammation. Our body builds up a lot of inflammation, and that is what keeps us down from fighting. You need to get rid of the inflammation, and this is what turmeric is for. However, you cannot use turmeric all the time. Turmeric could be used, like I would say, for the most 3 months. Don't get me wrong. I would say for most for 3 months for the year, and then wait up probably another 3 months and go back again. But don't use turmeric all the time, because why? It could thin the blood. It thins the blood out, and like people who's on people who is taking blood thinners, they shouldn't do turmeric. All right, so you could take whatever you want out of here and add something else more to it. But the fact remains is we are building our immune system. Okay, so here I'm gonna start now. Okay, get a juicer. Get any juicer. There's so many juicers out there. Get a blender. When we're doing blending, get a blender, we could blend up smoothies. So this is my juicer here. I have this a long time ago, but it does the job. So we're gonna start juicing now. All right, here we go. Good juicer. But one that goes, because sometimes these veggies and fruits are very hard to juice. Okay, so that's it. You know the colors in this. See all the colors? And can you imagine this is what's going to be going inside your body? This is what's going to be going inside your body. Yeah. Your body will be very happy. Delicious. You would love it.